Hi guys, how's everyone? Hi, I hope everyone is doing good. Okay guys, I will be just covering one code. Okay, that's very important. Okay, this project is very important guys, okay? We are soon going to complete this project. Okay. Okay, my screen is shared, right? In the last class guys, we saw that every time. Okay, let me just see since I'm using another browser. Just want to check if all the data is present. Okay, everything is good. And we did something that every time. Okay, could not send request. Okay, environment is not selected. Okay, I've selected this prod environment now. Okay, guys, you saw that. Okay, there is one test result failed. Let me see what tests are failed. Okay, this is. Let me comment out this. This is performance test case. Okay, now I'm going to send this. This worked good, right? Right, guys? Okay. Okay, guys. And now I want to show you something. I will be running all the three requests together. Okay. I will be running on the all the three requests together. Okay. Do you see? I have opened this collection. And do you see a run button here? I'm going to click this. Okay. We will use this run manually option. Iterations 1, no delay. Okay. And I will hit on run library API. Okay. So you see right now all of the test cases are passed. But there is one thing, the book which is added, we are not getting that book every time. You remember we make some code that was generating a unique id every time. Remember in the last class we generated a code that was generating a unique id, so that was the thing. So this get book id doesn't know what's the id being generated every time, and this delete book doesn't know what's the id that is generated every time and that is added every time, right? So now we what we are going to do, let me just do one thing. I will have to open the API contract. Okay, allow me. I want to check what's the that ID of the contract. Okay. Okay. Share with me. Here API testing. I should have resources. Here is the library API contract. Okay, I want get book by ID. Okay, where is that get book by ID? This is delete. Okay, we don't have ID. Let me just check. We have this author name. Okay, I want to see if we have ID. What's the ID of this? Okay, the ID is this. Okay, that works fine. We have generated the get book by ID request. Okay, and in the same case, we have to delete book by ID. All right, this takes ID here, right? Okay, no, not here. To see this, what this is. Okay, delete book request is empty. Let me check how do we delete book. Okay, delete book is also a post method. So we give ID. Okay, ID in this body, right? Raw. The ID is, we will give the same ID. Okay, same ID which is generated. All right. Okay, in this post. Okay, all right. So I will hit this request and the book is deleted successfully. All right. We have not written any scripts as well. Okay. 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 And okay. Now you guys will see this book will we will not find this book with the get request. See, the book the book by requested book ID or author name doesn't exist. All right, guys. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if everything is understood till here. Okay. Now, I want when I run all the three requests together. When I run all the three requests together, I have to do nothing. Same book is added with the book which is added. Same book we get in the get request and same book in the delete request. Okay. All right. You got what I said? Okay, so this is how I am going to do. Okay, first of all, in add book we have the const JSON data. All right. Okay, now I want the book ID. Const book ID is equals to, what's the book ID? Book ID is nothing, JSON data dot ID, right? JSON data dot ID is the book ID, right? Give me a thumbs up, guys. This is the JSON data, and inside this ID is something that I required. Okay, I'm pasting these two on the top of the test case. Okay. All right, guys. Any confusions? Everything is good till here, right? Okay, guys. I will keep the class very short because I want you to explain this question very in a very nice way. Okay. I guess no confusions till now. Okay. Now I have got the ID here. Okay. The ID is stored in this variable book ID. Now I am going to set this book ID to my environment variable so that this book ID is accessible. What is the one thing that I require to get the book and delete the book? That's ID, right? That's ID. Now I am going to set this in my environment variable so that this is accessible by every request. Okay. Okay, see this. pm dot environment. Okay. It should be environment variables actually. Okay, anyways, not set. Okay, what I need to set? I need to set book ID. Okay, and what is the book ID? Book ID is this what we are storing here. This book ID I need to set in my environment variables. Okay, I am a bit confused about this. When it's collection variable, it should be environment variables. Okay, anyways, let's try this once, and if this doesn't work, then I will we can even switch to collection variable. Actually, collection variable is a more good practice, because if we use environment, then we have to create a variable in both the environments. Okay, but right now let's do this here. Okay, now creating a book id here. Okay, creating a book id here. Okay, okay, and saving this. Okay, and let me create it in UAT as well. Okay, book ID. Just to make sure, I want to check if this is the same thing I added in add book. Okay, book ID. Okay, that looks pretty fine, guys. Okay, now in the collection in get book, I will replace this ID with what? With collection level book ID. See, this is coming from environment variable book ID. Okay, now I'm going to use this here and in this. In this. Where is the body? And in here, body, I am going to use this. See, I'm going to use this book ID. Okay. Okay, guys. All right. This looks pretty fine, right? Let me close all the tabs here. Okay, and open the collection level variable and hit run. Okay. I want one iteration and run library API. Okay. Let's see. See, this was the message. See, is this the same book? Nick 445. Match the ID, guys. Nick 44526 780. And in getbook, see Nick 445265780. See, it's the same book. And let's see if this book got, see, the message is book is deleted successfully. If the book was if the book was not present, it should have returned the message the book ID, the requested book or author ID doesn't exist. Let's run it again just to get sure. Do you see this, guys? Successfully added. The ID is Nick 918 something, and it's also here Nick 91826. Okay, and in delete book again the messages the book is deleted successfully. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood this automation run, whole automation run. We automated a whole API. Now I will add the rest of few automations in here. Okay. Okay, guys. So any doubt still here? Okay, Sujit, how many lectures are you done with?
Sir, currently I am continuing with lecture 3.
Okay. Any doubt till lecture 3?
No, no, still not.
Okay, that's great. Pranita.
Lecture third.
Guys, why all of you are so behind? We are only doing lectures on weekends, right? You should not be too behind. Am I right, guys?
Yeah, yeah, but only in API testing, sir.
Okay, no worries. So I'm not going to I'm not that's why I'm not taking long lectures, because you guys are so behind. Even there were 2 weeks off in between. Still you guys are so behind. I don't get this, guys. Okay, I'm not going to extend this lecture to any more topic, so that see, this is something we have done 70-80% part of this project. We will add some major assertions and expectation that you can do on your own. We have already added all of the assertions in add book. We will see what other assertions we can add. But most of the things in this project, like 50-60% of this project is done. Okay. Okay. Akshay, what's your status? Akshay. Okay, I guess he doesn't want to talk. Okay. And who's this? Shashidhar, I guess. Shashidhar, what's your status? Who's this account green A square? Guys, I'm talking to you.
Sir, Janaki sir.
Okay, what's your status?
Sorry, sir. I have typed my last. So,
You are not audible. No worries, we will talk later. Or you can DM me your status. Siddhi, what's your status?
Yeah, I'm like completed all the I have completed all the five lectures, but in fifth lectures, yesterday's lectures, I have a doubt that yesterday we were giving the ISBN interval value, and there we were randomly generating the value, but I have a doubt that how we can generate the value random because their ISBN and AISL combination. So, if we want to verify any book and to find the any book in icon, then how we can find their it is like random value?
Do you see add book request?
Yes.
I'm going to send this request. See, this is the ID generated. Okay, copy this ID, go to get book, use this ID in get book, hit this request. Is this the same book we are looking for?
Mm,
So, what's your doubt?
yes. So I have a doubt that you are cross verifying here after getting data from the from ad book. You are getting the data in the GAD book using the cross confirmation. But my doubt is this that every time it will give the random number for ISBN because we
Exactly.
defined it as a ISBN teaser. But for me, the question is this that for every random ISBN value, there will be a data in the record.
I still didn't get your question. Siddhi, do one thing. DM with your question. Actually, your voice is not very clear right now here. Okay, and I am not able to get your question. So DM with your question. All right.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Because
Do
why
DM for
I'm
sure.
asking
Okay.
here, actually, why I'm asking here because if I'm asking here, then you can show me practically.
I
But
totally understand, but the thing is, your voice is not clear right now. Okay, if you have the doubt, if there is a need, we will talk on the call or we will schedule another call, one-on-one call. All right.
yeah, yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay.
And still, I have a one more doubt that I understood everything till now, whatever you taught till fifth class, but I'm not able to correlate all the things in a flow. That how we can use this all in a practical implementation.
Are
Like
you are you making this project side by side?
yeah, everything I have.
Okay, okay, no worries. We will also talk about this on another call. No worries.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Okay, and who's this D? Who's this D dot? Okay, anyways, he's not replying. Nikita, what's your status?
Sir, I was bit busy in interview, so I am doing like I will complete this weekdays.
How many lectures till now, bro?
Uh, Sir, two and
Okay. Nikita, what's your status?
I have to revise last.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm not extending this class anymore. Okay, because all of you are too behind. Everyone is behind. I don't know why you guys are behind. You should be completing this project. Okay, whenever we are having this next class, this project till what we have done in this class should be completed. All right, and I will take that class as a doubt class. Okay, so next Saturday we will have a doubt class for all these 6 lectures. Okay, okay, guys. Anyways, thank you for attending the lecture. Bye bye. Have a great day.